So we started off today with temperature conversions, and we're converting between the Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale. A lot of times in the office you're going to have to do some of those conversions, especially if you're doing any kind of research, because everybody else in the world uses Celsius while we still use the Fahrenheit scale. So when we're going to go Fahrenheit to Celsius, we have a formula, and it's just a matter of making sure that you have the right formula for what you want to do and making sure that you just put your numbers in the right place. So when I'm going to go from Fahrenheit to Celsius, I'm going to use the following formula. My degrees in Fahrenheit, I'm going to subtract 32 from it, and I'm going to divide by 1.8. That's our formula. So let's say we started out with a temperature that was 68 degrees, and that's 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and I needed to convert that to Celsius. Well, I can now say that Celsius equals 68 minus 32, and then I'm going to divide that by 1.8. So what you need to make sure that when you do this, especially when you're putting it into your calculators, that you need to do your top function first, get your number there, hit your equals button, and then divide by 1.8, because if you don't do that, especially with the scientific calculators, it will do something funky and you'll come up with like 218 degrees, and that's not right, because Celsius, your degrees Celsius should be lower than what your Fahrenheit temp is. And so if that doesn't occur, then you know we've done something wrong in the calculation. So if I take 68 minus 32, that's going to give me 36 degrees, 36 degrees, and I'm going to divide that by 1.8, which now equals 20. So my original temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit now is equal to 20 degrees Celsius.